Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unarchive a card in Trello. So let's get started. Open Trello and go to the board where the archived card is located. Locate the menu button on the right side of the board and click on it. Select Archived Items from the menu. This will display a list of all archived cards. Find the card you want to unarchive from the list of archived items. Click on the card to open it. In the Cards window, click on the Send to Board button to restore the card to its original board. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.